Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to be reviewing this ring light that I've just purchased from Amazon. It was only £30. I'm holding it like this. It does come with a tripod, so let's get this set up and let's give it a go.
Yeah, so this is the box it came in. It is a budget ring light, and it's basically LED lamp, power display, intelligent switch, and it's got a soft intercooler. So yeah, it's really essentially a cheap ring light. So I thought I'd just purchase this just to see what it's like, and then I'll probably sort of upgrade to the newer more premium range. But let's see what this is like and let's see if it's any good. So if I take out the box, so here's the ring light. So this is the ring light. So it's a 12-inch. So yeah, you attach this. That sort of attaches onto there, and then you've got the screw that screws on to your ring light. And it comes with also this nut. I'm assuming this is an extra nut to attach this, maybe. Okay, so you can probably attach it to that, and also attach it to another sort of tripod. It comes with a little USB remote. So this remote is useful if you want to sort of go wireless. So essentially it's got a little remote, click on it, and it allows you to sort of record your footage from your phone linked to your ring light via this little remote. Right, okay, it comes with this little tripod. It's not the best, truth. It's a bit plasticky. But you know, it'll do the job. It's not, you know, you can see that it's not very good build quality. So, you know, like I said, I've not paid a lot of money for this, so I wasn't expecting a huge amount of quality, to tell you the truth. So you can sort of pivot it like this. It's got a lever there, so you can sort of move this around like so. So it's your standard sort of kind of tripod setup, you know, to allow you to pivot and move around like so. Right guys, this has got a few different temperatures, as you can see. So I'll just test out the different temperatures of light. So that is more of a blue light. So you can see I'm a little bit more blue in this light. Some people might prefer that. Okay. This one is more of a natural light. So for say my skin tone, this one works much better. Maybe the blue one also would probably work better on my skin tone as well, as opposed to probably this one, which makes me look much more yellow. So yeah, that's probably not the one for me. This one is probably a little bit blue, so if you're making some scary films, this one might be the one for you. I think this one is the perfect for my skin tone, and it works. Right guys, I've just got this little teddy, and I just want to demonstrate to you guys the different temperatures of light that this ring light gives you. So this little icon here, if I click on that, it gives you different temperatures of light. So this one is more of a natural light, this one is more of a yellow light. If I click again, this is more of a blue light. So if you want to make sort of horror films, let's say for example, you can click on this and it'll give you a more blue tint. This plus and this minus, so if I click on the plus, it will increase the light. If I click on the minus, it will reduce the light. So you might want a tint of your object like this, for example. So this essentially reduces the light. So it's really, really basic. This is connected to a USB. It's connected to my laptop, and that's how this ring light is at the moment being powered. It doesn't come with a socket, so you do need to sort of have a socket available, and it does charge via a socket as well. It doesn't save the power,
but you do have to, you know, plug it into a laptop or a socket in order to get some power. So yeah, let me increase the power again. So that is the highest temperature of light that you can get for this this device. So again, if I reduce it, increase it, you can clearly see that there is a different temperature. This button here essentially switches it off. So I'm going to switch it off. Gone. The little light still comes on. Press the blue light and it comes back on. Right, guys. So those are some basic features of this ring light. It doesn't really do anything else apart from that. You know, I've got it at, sort of sitting on a desk at the moment. I probably use it on a desk more than anything else for video calls, etc. And that's primarily going to be my use for it.
What it does, gives you a bit of light, as you can tell. Gives you that like fluorescent light that you might want in your films, and you get a little bit more light and it makes you look much more prettier than you already are probably. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you for the next one.